Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of this amazing light. It's called the M140 RGB pocket fill light. This, oh my god, this is an amazing product to have. This M140 RGB light, guys, everyone should have it, and I'm going to show you guys the unboxing and how it looks like when I put it on with the different colors. It's amazing.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared.
So guys, this is me wanting to test it so you guys can see it, how it looks like on my face, like when I'm using it basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on the on button right there. So it has the on button, it has this M. This M is for changing the modes basically, so from green to yellow to red, so all the colors, then the normal colors as well. And I like the fact that it also has the normal orange and white light. So you know the normal your normal LED light, so the one that mixes orange and white, that's my favorite. Then it has the orange one and it has the white one, so I'm so excited. Then it has the increase button and decrease button, increase and decrease. Guys, it is bright. So I'm going to just turn it on so you guys can see. So I'm going to press it. Can you guys see? This is what I look like with it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if, so this is the lowest. This is the lowest. So I'm going to increase it so you guys can see how bright it can get. Can you guys see? It's still going, it's still going, it's still going. Okay, we're done. See how bright it is. So I'm going to reduce it because it's so bright. So guys, this is the orange and white, so the one with the orange and white. And then I'm going to press the on button again so that it can change to, it's now white. So can you guys see? So let's increase it. So I'm going to leave it at this level of brightness. Then I'm going to press it again. So this is the orange. Can you guys see? Then this is it blinking. Yeah, so it has gone back to the orange and white that I love. Now we're going to go to the different colors on this. So I'm going to press the modes, that M button, and you can see it's green. This is yellow. I think this is orange. I don't know. Ooh. So this is it blinking as the color. So it's going to go through all the colors again. So this one is the one that changes from, like, it just changes the color by itself. It moves from one color to another. I don't know how it's reflecting in the camera. So it moves from one color to another. And then this is another one. And this is another one. And this is another one. So I'm going to go back to the normal one, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to put it on my phone right here so I can use it to just record. And guys, on this side, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like when there is no light, when it's dark, like how bright it can get. So I'm going to put a video right here so you guys can see how that works.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just level up, don't be scared. Crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
And guys, that's it about this particular unboxing. I love my LED lights. I love it. And yes guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I have more amazing videos coming out on this channel, so in tutorials, unboxing videos, guys. Going to also show you guys how you can use this with your tripod. So, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.